Hello everyone, welcome to Code for Placement. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how we are going to work on multiple database. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to combine the column from the table across the multiple databases. That's it, pretty simple. And so the SQL developer database, we have these tables, and that is fairly similar with the previous one. Okay, so now imagine the product table is not here. Now if you see at the SQL inventory database, you can see that you have another product table, the product table which is similar to the product table which we have seen in the SQL store. Okay, so this is just to give, this is not a good design technically, so but this is just a demo, so that's why I have made this purposely to show you this use case. Okay, so let's just imagine that we don't have the product table here, so we want to join the order item table from the product table and SQL inventory database. Okay, so let's get started. Select everything first. In the first case, I'm going to select everything table. So let's give an alliance to the ordered item straight away, and we join this product table, and that product table is a part of SQL inventory database. So that's why I have to write it as a prefix of SQL inventory. Okay, so that will be a prefix of the database name of its database. So now once again we give the alliance of P and type out the join condition of OI. So product ID is common between the product table and the order item, so that's why we have joined the table successfully. Now let's run this query, and you can see the tables are pretty much available, and it is because the current database have the writing the query against the table. So take a look into the navigation panel, and you can see that the SQL store database is displayed in the bold. So earlier we wrote that the use cases that select the database, that is SQL store. Now we will be selecting the SQL inventory database. Let's see what happened. So SQL inventory, now because we have multiple statement, we have terminate this with the semicolons, and now we want to we want to see the select statement with the order of this table. So we will be using the SQL inventory for this execution. So let's execute the for order ID. I have to specify which table it belongs to, order items, and product will be as default because it is already available in the SQL inventory. I am going to use this SQL inventory right now. I'm not using the SQL store. Correct. So pretty simple. Now let's run this query, and you can see how we are going to align this product. Okay, because I'm using this SQL inventory, so SQL inventory in the panel is already in bold, and SQL store I am not using, so that's why I have to explain SQL store for order item. Thank you so much guys. Do subscribe to Code for Placement for more such videos. We will be bringing up next video as well on joins. Thank you.